Communicate, connect, cooperate, collect. CoMingl. Making you money while you're making money.
Hello Minglers! Welcome to another CoMingl video tutorial. This is Marcin, and today we will be talking about communicating privately in CoMingl. Hopefully this tutorial will answer all of the questions related to this topic for you. But if you end up having more questions or there are parts that confuse you, please send us an email and we will be happy to answer those questions for you. Okay, let's get started. First we have to log in obviously to CoMingl, so let's do that. Once you log in, you'll end up on the dashboard. And first thing I need to mention is that there's really two ways of communicating privately. One is called private mingle and the second way is called multi-mingle. The only difference between those two is that private mingle is a communication between two minglers. The multi-mingle communication is between multiple minglers at the same time. The process of creating a private or multi-mingle is exactly the same. The only difference is you add simply more names, which I will show you in just a moment. Another thing I want to mention before we start creating a private mingle is that you'll notice this icon here, this message icon. Anytime you will receive a private mingle or a multi-mingle, you will get a notification in here that you have received a private mingle. Another information on the dashboard, which you'll notice here on the bottom, you have that section called private mingle. And all of your private communication or the last few private communications with your minglers will show up in here. Now notice there's a little line that says multi-mingle in here, and there are 3 members involved in this multi-mingle. Now you can also click compose or you can click load more right from this section. For now, let's go back to the top, to that icon. Once you click on the icon, you also have the option of clicking compose or clicking on the list to see the list of all your private communication. Here, of course, it shows the same information as you notice below. So let's start by composing our first private mingle. Once you click compose, you will be transferred to this screen, and in the to field, this works really well because all you have to do is enter one letter which exists in the mingler's name. For example, if you click M, you'll notice that I have 2 names, comingl.com and Marcin, which is me. So if you click on one of them, it'll automatically fill it out. Now again, if you type an M, it'll also show all of them. But what if you type an MA? It actually basically filters only those minglers who are available based on the letters that you type. So if you want to create a multi-mingle, all you have to do is add a second person or a third or a fourth or how many you would like. And then you have to click on this section, type in your message, hello minglers. You can add an image. If you'd like to share with someone an image, you can just simply add an image that exists on your computer. You can also copy and paste links into this message that you'd like to send. Once you do that and click send, the recipients would automatically receive a message with the image and the link attached, and that is as simple as this. Of course, I mentioned the list of the private communication. If you click on this, you'll notice we're on exactly same screen as we would end up after clicking send the private mingle. So this is really it for the private communication. This is as simple as this. So this will do it for today's tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the last few minutes with me. If you're watching this tutorial on our YouTube channel or Vimeo, please don't forget to click like or subscribe to our channel. And of course, I will see you next time on another video tutorial. This is Marcin with CoMingl, making you money while you're making money.